Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best impact drivers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Makita XDT140. Makita produce a huge amount of well-respected tools, and this is the best Makita impact driver we've come across, with a huge amount of features. It is sold as a kit, with a charger, batteries and a chuck for changing bits with ease. The XDT140 has an incredible 1,550 pounds of torque and is one of the most precise and powerful options on the market. All of this without weighing a huge amount, which is often the trade-off if you are looking for a powerful driver. A quick shift mode means that you can alter the torque and even the speed of an option to allow you to change these to suit the project you are working on. This has a tightening mode which is designed to reduce the impact speed and help to minimize the chance of any breaking or damaging. 3 different power settings on top of this mean you have a huge level of power. The 18 volts lithium-ion batteries are incredibly fast charging and are also long-lasting. This makes this one of the best battery-powered impact driver options, as the battery has such an incredible level of battery life. It can also allow you to use batteries from other tools in their range, as long as they have the star symbol. Moving on at number 4, we have the Makita XDT15ZB. Makita offer a lot of different options in this particular market, and this stakes a claim of being the best brushless impact driver, meaning it has a brushless motor. The XDT15ZB is designed to be ultra compact. It is both lightweight and pretty small, which means you can store it easily, but more importantly it means that this is a lightweight and simple to use impact driver. The dimensions and weight might make you think that this is not going to have the power you need, but actually, this still offers impressive IPM and variable speeds to suit your needs. The whole of the Makita range offers impressive quality in terms of battery, and the 18 volts battery can be switched out and used among the other products in their range, so not every tool needs its own battery necessarily. This battery is one of the many reasons this is possibly the best 18V impact driver. There are a lot of benefits of a brushless motor, and this allows it to run both coolly and without wasting energy unnecessarily. This results in it lasting longer. The motor gives 1,240 lbs of torque, which isn't the most powerful, but is certainly not weak. The LED lighting is designed to brighten up the area you are using your impact driver. This is one of the many reasons that this is particularly great for use in difficult spaces. At number 3, we have the BLACKDECKER 20V drill driver impact combo kit. Whether you're after a budget-friendly impact driver, or a cordless drill under $100, BLACKDECKER have some of the best options to suit any budget. This model from BLACKDECKER is available at an exceptional price, especially when you consider the fact that it ships as both a drill and an impact driver in a kit, all for a cost that is reasonable. Though this may not be quite as feature-packed as some of its competitors, it has plenty to offer on a budget and the power stands up as exceptional in the market for the best drill impact driver combo. The 20 volts battery system is standard for a lot of the BLACKDECKER range and means that it is interchangeable between the products. It has an 11-position control clutch to help you to choose the level of torque. Just like products that are more costly, this also has an LED light that can light up the area you need to work within. The design is pretty lightweight, compact and ergonomic, meaning that the drill feels pretty good to use, though it doesn't have the same amount of grip control as some of the more expensive options. The torque of the impact driver can reach 1375 lbs in terms of torque, and the RPM can reach up to 3000, with full control over this. Though we can't call this BLACKDECKER offering the absolute best product on the market, when you take into account the fact that the cost is relatively low, then it is a great option for DIY on a budget. At number 2, we have the Bosch CLPK27-120. Bosch needs no introduction as a brand which produces tools, and this is arguably the best 12 volts impact driver on the market. It is sold as a kit which includes a drill and an impact driver, both of which give a lot of quality and value when you consider the fact that both are sold at one reasonable price. This is an incredibly compact driver. The PS41 has a head that is over 5 inches but still manages to weigh in at less than 2 pounds. It also has 20 different clutch settings between 350 RPM and 2600 RPM, so you get a huge amount of controls to alter the torque and the speed for the best control over your driving. The 930 in lbs torque is impressive too. The safety features are impressive too, along with a few added extras. It has an LED ring-style light so you can illuminate the space in which you're working. The ergonomic handle is great for extended periods of use and keeps your hand feeling comfy and in full control. There are also bumpers that stop slipping, which can be dangerous. All in all, this is a wonderful option for any toolkit. And finally at number 1, we have the Hitachi WH18DGL. The Hitachi WH18DGL combines the features of many of the other products to make our list. It has an RPM, IPM, weight and other features that are very similar to the competitors, but there is one specific area where the Hitachi wins out: warranty. For a manufacturer of any sort of tool to be able to offer a lifetime warranty shows exactly how much thought has gone into the design, and how much faith they have that this is a product which has been built to last. Naturally, the battery does not have a lifetime warranty, but this is still guaranteed for 2 years, which is certainly not a negative. It offers a 1/4 inch chuck, which is pretty standard, and the battery is lithium-ion and therefore lightweight and reliable. The 2400 RPM driving speed is pretty respectable, and the 1280 N/pound of torque is roughly what we'd expect from a top-quality impact driver. An LED is included as well as a carry case to take the Hitachi WH18DGL out and about with ease. You can purchase it either on its own or as a set with 45 bits. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.